Welcome to Shiksha Sanjog Hatadi Keonjhar. My good wishes to you. In the previous class, we have studied and understood the poem The Rainbow. In the present class, we shall discuss about some questions. Before discussion, we shall remember about some difficult words that we have already studied. Now, look at the difficult words again. ପିଲାମାନେ ରେନବୋ କବିତାରେ କିଛି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ୱାର୍ଡସର ଅର୍ଥ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ତାକୁ ତୁମେମାନେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ମନେ ପକାଅ। ପରେ ପରେ ଆମେ ଯିବା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ରିଡିଂ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିକୁ। ତେବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ରିଡିଂ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିର କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍। ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି 1, fill in the blanks. शून्य स्थान पूरण कर। डैश सेल ऑन द रिवर्स। आंसर बोट्स। डैश सेल ऑन द सीज। आंसर शिप्स। डैश सेल अक्रॉस द स्काई। आंसर क्लाउड्स। Boats and ships are compared to dash. Answer clouds. Rivers and seas are compared to dash. Rivers and seas are compared to the sky. Then we shall proceed to activity 2. Activity 2. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. Rearrange the letters. ଅକ୍ଷର ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ସୁସଜ୍ଜିତ କରି ଲେଖ। To make meaningful words. ଅର୍ଥପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଶବ୍ଦ ତିଆରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ଅର୍ଥପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଶବ୍ଦ ତିଆରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅକ୍ଷର ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ସଜାଅ। ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ R V I R E। आंसर रिभर R I V E R। सहीपरी A B O T। आमे ताकु सुसज्जित करी लिखिले B O A T बोट। सहीपरी U D C L O। If we arrange, then the word will be cloud. C L O U D. Next. Y S K. Answer S K Y. Sky. Next. A C S S R O। यह को आम सुसज्जित कर लिखा एक्रॉस। A C R O S S। नेक्स्ट V E N H E A। आंसर हेवन। H E A V E N। Next question. I D B U I। Answer build। B U I L D। Next. H S I P। Answer ship। S H I P। Next question. D R O A। Answer road। R O A D। एबे जिबा में activity 3. Complete the sentences choosing the correct alternatives. Put a tick mark against correct options. What sails across the sky? Option bow, cloud, wind, rainbow. Answer cloud. Question number 2. Which is the prettiest of all? Option rainbow, cloud, ship, boat. Answer rainbow. Rainbow is the prettiest of all. Next question. What sail on the seas? Option boats, ships, clouds, rainbow. Answer ships. Ships sail on the seas. Then we shall discuss about activity 4. Fill in the blank with suitable words. उपयुक्त शब्द सह शून्य स्थान पूरण कर. There are dash on the rivers. There are boats on the rivers. As dash as you please. Answer as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges dash over the tops of dash. Answer but the bow that bridges heaven over the tops of trees. And dash a road from dash to dash is dash far than these. And builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Activity 4 has already covered. Now we shall discuss about activity 5. Write the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree of the following adjectives. तललिखित adjective गुड़िकरे आमे positive degree, comparative degree और superlative degree लिखिबा. Beautiful dash dash या को तीनोटी डिग्री लिखिले ब्यूटीफुल पॉजिटिव डिग्री, मोर ब्यूटीफुल ये कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. लाइकवाइज प्रिटी प्रिटी पॉजिटिव डिग्री, प्रिटियर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, प्रिटीएस्ट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. लाइकवाइज गुड गुड, better, best. Last question. Tall, tall, taller, tallest. Now we shall discuss about activity 6. Write the plural form of the following nouns. तललिखित नाउन गुड़िकरे प्लुराल फॉर्म करिबा. बोट, क्लाउड, ब्रिज, ट्री, रोड. बोट सिंगुलर फॉर्म, प्लुराल कले बोट्स. सेपरी क्लाउड, क्लाउड्स, ब्रिज, ब्रिजेज, ट्री, ट्रीज, रोड, roads. Then we shall discuss about activity 7. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Clouds shall dash the sky. Answer across. Clouds sail across the sky. There are bridges dash the rivers. Answer on. There are bridges on the rivers. Boats sail dash the rivers. Answer on. Boats sail on the rivers. The rainbow builds a road from earth dash sky. Answer to. From earth to sky. Now activity 7 is over. We shall discuss about activity 9. Fill in the blanks with the suitable articles. उपयुक्त आर्टिकल व्यवहार करी शून्य स्थान पूरण कर. आर्टिकल दुई भाग कराई डेफिनेट आर्टिकल indefinite article. Definite article, article the indefinite article a an. वर्तमान आम indefinite article a an लगाई शून्य स्थान पूरण करिबा. There is a dash pen in my pocket. There is a pen in my pocket. Pen मूल अक्षर p या consonant. consonant पूर्वरु consonant उच्चारण मध्य हेउची तेणु ता पूर्वरु आमे आर्टिकल a व्यवहार करिबा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डैश apple a day keeps the doctor away. apple अछि a p p l e टी भावल रहिछि भावल पूर्वरु आन व्यवहार करिबा. an apple a day keeps the doctor away. नेक्स्ट, the boy saw dash river on the way. river मूल लेटर रही r या consonant पूर्वरु आर्टिकल a व्यवहार करिबा. the boy saw a river on the way. Last question, I crossed dash bridge on my way to Cuttack. I crossed dash bridge. ब्रिज रे मूल लेटर b रही तेणु आमे आर्टिकल a व्यवहार करिबा. I crossed dash bridge, a bridge on my way to Cuttack. पिला माने आज आलोचना शेष होईची. तुमे माने याको बारंबार पढ़िबो बुझिबो अभ्यास करिबो. Thank you very much for your active participation.